am empowered, I am strong. With every step I belong. In my heart I find the key to unlock my dreams, to be truly free. With courage and strength I'll face the day.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hey. Hi, everyone.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Ayan,
Hello,
ayan.
ladies.
Andito na mga ka-empowers. Woo! Hello sa ating lahat.
Hooray.
Yes. Magandang
Hooray.
hooray. Happy Sunday. Kumusta ang ating mga Sunday? Okay naman. Hooray ang ating Sunday.
Hooray.
Yeah.
Okay. Magandang gabi. Sandali. Asan na ba ako dyan? Ayun, si Sis Rosalie. Okay, magandang gabi, magandang araw, magandang hapon mga kababayan. Welcome na naman sa isang makabuluhang kwentuhan sa ating live stream at tayo ay full-time. Hello sa mga naka-tune in ngayon at sa mga manunod pa lang ng play. Hello sa inyo.
Hello. Mabuhay Pilipinas. Mabuhay sa ating mga kababayan dyan. Ako na.
Of course, yes, ikaw na te.
Okay. So tonight po, we are introducing po someone very special. Isa po siyang hardworking mom of 4. So she is also a full-time nursing assistant. And syempre, isa siyang bagong inspirasyon ng ating digital community. Yes, Malu?
That's correct, Sis Cheryl. So, she took a leap of faith nung last year, May 28. Ayan, may exact date talaga tayo. May 28, 2024. At now, actually in 4 days, anniversary na siya. So, happy anniversary in advance. And now she's here to share her story. She's basically galing siya sa Sweden. And let's all welcome Sis Ann Jansson. Ayun, baka gusto mong batiin in Swedish and Tagalog at yung dialect mo kung anong gusto mo.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
God kväll. We say in English, in Swedish, yeah. Hello, I am Ann Jansson. I'm mother of 4 beautiful kids, and currently we are living here in Sweden for 7 years soon. And I'm a full-time nursing assistant, and I have fight my way to get that job because we just moved here in Sweden, yeah. And
All right. Oh, sorry. Yeah, go ahead, sis. Sorry.
yeah, no, it's okay. Yeah, I'm originally from Nueva Vizcaya. I'm an Ilocana. So, napintas nga aldaw yung amin, kakabsat. And it's my first time here, so I'm a little bit nervous.
Okay lang, sis.
We've been there.
Kaya mo yan.
Oh. Hello. Oh, we've got a special guest.
Say hi.
What's your name?
Oh, hi. Say hi.
Hello, little girl.
Pretty naman.
Thank you.
Hi.
Yung ano namin dito, no? Yung journey ko dito sa Sweden is very grabe yung pinagdaanan ko. So I'm very grateful to be here, and thank you for inviting me here. So yes.
Yeah, you're welcome, sis. Thank you. Thanks for the time, and of course, you're welcome dito sa ating empowered community. Kaya nga tayo empowered kasi we empower everyone here and we inspire everyone. At tulad nga ng nasabi mo na mahirap ang naging buhay mo dyan, at gusto namin we wanted to dive deeper. So unahin natin ng question galing sa ating mga fellow ka-empower all the way from Italy, Sis Rosalie.
Hello. It's excited to be here again tonight. Empower sa ating mga manonood ngayon. Good evening or good afternoon, whatever time sa inyong lugar, whatever weather sa inyong lugar. It's nice to be here again, and dahil we have our special guest nga na si Ann. So, nice to meet you, Ann. It's nice to be you here sa amin. So, yun. So, ako po ay si Rosalie. Ako po ay taga Padua, Italy. Ako ay isang dental assistant for many years na. Ako po ay isang ina. Meron po akong isang anak na 13 years old. And, yun. Ako ay may isang katanungan sa iyo, Ann. Isa lang kasi baka hindi tayo matapos. Yung aking katanungan sa iyo is, ano ba yung naging buhay mo bago mo na-discover ang digital business at paano mo ito natagpuan?
Okay. Yung buhay ko, no, bago this digital business is, I was jobless. Wala akong trabaho kasi pag bago ka dito sa Sweden, you have to learn their language to have a good job. And one source of income for the family is not enough with 4 kids. So yung buhay namin is very stressful every month kasi yung sahod ng asawa ko, no, kulang kahit malaki yung sahod niya with the taxes here na almost half ng sahod kinukuha ng government.
Wow.
So that's yun yung nagbigay sa akin ng maraming stress at nag-push sa akin din to find a solution hanggang sa nakita ko tong business na to through Facebook advertising na nag-reflect yung kwento sa akin. So, kaya ako nag-yes agad. And yung buhay kasi dito, no, yung lifestyle dito ang mahal. Hindi gaya sa Pilipinas na murang-mura, mayaman ang dating pag doon kami tumira. Pero because of the kids, for the kids' sake, for their future, kaya kami lumipat dito. Pero ang laki ring shift ng buhay namin. Yeah. So, that's it.
Yung question, paano mo nakita itong business na to, sis Ann?
Ano siya, naghahanap na ako dati ng online job. Tapos, nag-i-scroll lang ako sa internet, no? Tapos may nakita ko isang advertisement na she's 60 years old and she's doing this business also. So sabi ko, wow, ang galing, sabi ko. Kung kaya niya, kaya ko din, sabi ko. So that's why I signed up agad. At nag-reflect din siya sa akin.
Okay, salamat. Salamat, Rosalie. And yes, yes, Anna, no, at talagang, pag sinabi mo talagang mag-abroad ka, kailangan handa tayo lagi kasi hindi talaga madali ang buhay pag tayo ay nag-abroad. Akala ng iba madali lang kumita ng pera. So, sa ngayon, at least, I'm happy na nahanap ko itong business na ito, Sister Ann. And rest assured na matutulungan ka nito, sa iyong future. So, yes, nakaka-relate kami sa kwento mo. So now, let's hear naman from Fe from US. May katanungan ka ba? Sorry.
Okay. Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Sa lahat ng mga nanonood, I am Faye. I'm a wife and a digital business owner as well, and a healthcare worker. Kagaya mo rin ako, isang nursing assistant. So here's my question for you, Dan. How did you manage to say yes to this business opportunity? Kahit may full-time job ka na as a nursing assistant.
Okay, gaya ng sabi ni Sis Cheryl, no, na yung pag-abroad. Ay, nakamute ako, sorry. Gaya nung sabi ni Sis Cheryl, no, na yung pag-abroad, akala ng iba madali lang. Pero ang totoo, napakahirap. I was physically and mentally tired. At I don't have any savings for my kids' future, no? And especially, wala din akong savings for my retirement. And then I have my mom in front of me na wala rin siyang na-save for her retirement. Pero nagtrabaho siya as an OFW, no? So, ang hirap ng buhay pag ganun, pag hindi ka nakapag-save ng for your future self. At
Okay. Wait, nakamute.
Namute ako. Oy, sorry.
Yeah, okay na.
I was physically and mentally tired. I went into depression because first, wala akong trabaho. Hindi ko matulungan yung asawa ko. Tapos, I didn't had any savings for my kids' future. And wala din akong savings para sa retirement ko. No? Hindi pa ako nakakapag-start mag-save. So, parang isang katukyod sa akin. Kumatok siya. Anong magiging buhay mo? 40 years old ka na. Parang ganon. So, sabi ko, kailangan kong gumawa ng paraan. Kasi ayaw kong magaya sa mom ko na nakaasa lang sa mga anak, no? Lalo na hindi natin alam yung generation ngayon, very different na from sa atin. So, yun yung nag-decide sa akin, nagpa-yes dahil I was very desperate to change my family situation. Yep.
Yeah, thank you, sis. Alam mo, pinapakinggan ko pa lang parang pang maalaala talaga yung mga kwento natin dito. Sobrang nakaka-relate. I'm sure yung mga ka-OFW natin, mga immigrants tulad natin. Kasi yung culture natin kasi sa Pinas, di ba, parang mag-aral ka na mabuti, and then maghanap ka ng magandang work. Hindi natin naisip yung retirement, hindi natin naisip yung kasi work pa rin tayo ng work. Pag nag-retire na yung parents natin, parang ang ending tayo ang mag-handle din. Yes. So, maganda yung turning point mo, ayaw mong matulad sa nanay mo na umaasa. Gusto mo yung pagbabago, kaya kahit mahirap, kahit uncertain, nag-yes ka agad sa digital business na to.
Correct.
Yun na nakita mo yung chance na mag-rebuild, to dream again, and take back control of your future. Yeah. So, ayan. Meron tayong next question. Si Sis, isa ring Ann. Diba? Another Ann. Sis Mary Ann. Ayan.
Hello, happy Saturday sa ating mga ka-empower women supporters around the world. Ako po si Mary Ann, originally from Manila, Philippines, and currently now in Ontario, Canada. We're so grateful that we have Sis Ann, another Ann, as our guest today. So Sis Ann, yung tanong ko naman is, alam ko marami makaka-relate. So when you were starting, alam ko may hesitations and fears, no? Ano-ano yun at paano mo siya nalampasan?
Yeah, actually, I did hesitate Pero after na, after I get into the business, kasi my mindset, yung mindset ko is into roller coaster, no? I was in positive, and then negative. Tapos, na-scam din ako kasi yung talagang feeling, gusto ko talagang mag-business. Tapos na-scam ako, kakaklik ng lahat para lang makahanap ng pagbabago. And then, sabi ko, paano ko lalago dito? Sabi ko. So, yung negativity talaga, yun yung panira sa atin eh. Kaya, ang ginawa ko, talagang araw-araw nakikinig ako sa podcast, mga positive podcast. At tapos, nagbabasa ako ng mga libro na mag-help sa akin, na mag-uplift ng aking mindset or mag-iba ng mindset. Tapos yung pinakamaganda dito sa business na to, yung may training, no? Tinutulungan tayo sa pag-change ng mindset into a negative to positivity. So it helps me a lot at talagang binibigyan ko siya ng time every day. I see to it na I sit down an hour or 2 or more pag tulog na yung mga anak ko na talagang nakatutok ako because I really want to change that my old life and to have a better future and to have that freedom na sinasabi nga. Yes.
Yes, salamat Mary Ann. And yeah, syempre, valid pa rin ang mga doubts natin kahit nagiging skeptic tayo, no? Natural kasi yan, hindi natin maaalis yan kasi marami nga naman like scams ngayon dito sa, 'di ba, lalo na sa internet. Kasi ganyan din ako bago ako nagsimula. Pero we have to start at some point. Kung talagang gusto nating baguhin ang ating buhay, you know, we have to do your due diligence, no? Mag-research kayo or makikonnect kayo sa mga gaya namin, sa mga online business owners. And syempre, mag-guide din naman, diba? Mag-guide namin kayo kung meron kayong mga agam-agam bang tawag doon?
Yeah.
Yes, pero yeah, success starts when you move despite the fear. Yung fear of the unknown. Ika nga. So yes, thank you very much, Mary Ann. And now, dako naman tayo kay Sis Bernadette from Canada.
Yes. Hi, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are tuning right now. I am Bernadette, originally from Philippines, and now living here in Canada for more than 12 years. Hi, Sis Ann. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We are so grateful that you are here with us. So with that, Sis, gusto ko lang itanong tong mga questions para maliwanagan ng ating mga viewers, ang ating supporters and followers. You started the same month ngayon, May 2024. So, kumusta naman yung journey mo so far? And what changed your mindset or lifestyle since you joined this community?
Yeah, mag 1 year na ako, so nakakatuwa. Actually, ang galing ng business na to, no? Kasi yung journey ko talagang kahit 1 year pa lang ako, nakita ko talaga yung changes sa buhay ko na pag sinabi mong kaya ko to, talagang kaya mo nga kasi you feed your mind and then your mindset change. So, yung stress sa monthly stress namin, nawala na yon. Tapos, dahil dito sa business na to, no, legit kasi siya. So, na-register ko siya and then may nakuha akong tax return. So, ang galing talaga. Grabe. Tuwang-tuwa ako doon, no? Kahit yung first income ko is, or yung first na nakuha ko dito is very maliit pa lang siya. Pero grabe yung dating. Talagang kilig na kilig ako nung nakuha ko siya. Tapos every time na may success, even a small step, talagang sineselebrate ko siya. Kasi alam ko na sa future talagang malaki yung ibibigay nito sa akin or sa aking pamilya. Na I will be talagang yung mindset ko, yung manifestation ko, nandun talaga na, yeah, yayaman tayo. Oo.
Yes, thank you, sis. Napakaganda yung sagot na to na lahat talaga nag-start sa mindset, di ba? Simulan mo pala kasi yung mindset mo and then she started filling her mind with the right things. Tapos unti-unti nababawasan yung may monthly talaga na stress, baka meron din quarterly at yearly, meron din daily, di ba? Sa kanya, yung monthly stress, yung dating pressure na wala. So dahil nga legit ng business na to, napakagandang marinig na na-register mo siya at meron ka pang nakuhang tax return, o di ba? Akalain mo yun. So, hindi naman malaki agad talaga yung resulta. So, sabi mo nga, yung every small wins, every step forward na sineselebrate mo, napakagandang ano yan. Kaya, grabe nga. Mapapag-grabe din kami. Di ba? Kasi ang galing. So, ngayon, I'm glad to hear na unti-unting nabubuo na yung peace, yung purpose, at yung hope sa iyong puso. O, diba? Kaya saludo naman kami sa iyo. Alright, madako naman tayo sa UK. Sis Josie, do you have a question for Sis Mary Ann? At ikaw nakamute at i-unmute kita sandali. Yan. There you go.
Hello. Hi, Mary. Hello, Anne. Sorry. Yeah, nice to meet you here. You said you are from Nueva Vizcaya. I'm from Lagawi, Ifugao, so it's just next town. Really, so we are neighbors.
Wow, ang galing.
Wow. Hello, neighbors. Yes.
Yeah, so it's about an hour's drive, I think.
Yeah.
Something like that. Yeah, so I'm Josie, and I'm a mom, and I am a wife, and I've been in this business for a year as well. So I'm still here. Anyway, my question is, being a mom of 4 and working full-time, how do you balance your work as a digital business and work as a full-time assistant nurse?
Thank you sa question. Ang ganda ng question na yan. Kasi in the morning, bali yung schedule ko no sa being as a full-time nursing assistant. Sometimes it's in the morning, sometimes it's at nighttime. So, yung aking cellphone, para ko siyang lagi akong nakatutok sa aking cellphone, no? Pero I'm doing all my trainings to grow in this business. Talagang pag may break ako, talagang nakatutok ako, talagang login. Tapos training ako. Tapos basta, pero dati yung mga small breaks ko, ginagamit ko sa panonood ng Netflix, no? Or sa pag-i-scroll lang. So it's a lot of wasted time. Pero usually I put more time with my business at night time when my kids are sleeping. Kasi and then it depends also with my schedule. So I always see to it that I sit down and work with my business. And then yeah.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, saludo kami sa iyo, Mary Ann, no, biruin niyo 4 kids. You're a mom of 4. Mahirap kaya kasi ako 3 naranasan ko na mag-duty Tapos, puyat ka na, mag-aalaga ka pa sa bata. 'Di ba? Ganon ang klaseng lifestyle ng isang nanay.
correct.
Hardworking nanay. Yes. So, pero hindi mo siya, anong tawag nito? Hindi mo siya sinet aside. Kumbaga, ginamit mo yung time mo para into a more positive benefit. Okay? So, dako naman tayo kay Lisa. Is it Lisa? Yes, from UK. Isa ding single mom.
Hello everybody. Pasensya na yung signal ko medyo napuputol-putol pero I hope you can hear me. So this is Lisa and I'm UK and thank you so much for tuning in sa aming live stream this afternoon. So welcome Sis Ann sa Empowered Women. So my question for you is ano yung pinaka na-appreciate mo sa business na ito bilang isang working mom?
Okay. Bilang isang working mom, no, na-appreciate ko yung time flexibility ng business na ito. Plus, may mentors tayo and coaches na talagang nag-guide sa atin. Pag medyo yung nawawala ka sa landas, no? Yun yung pinakamaganda doon, no? Yung mentors natin, ginaguide tayo pabalik sa daan. Pag medyo yung mindset natin nag-iiba. So, yun yung pinaka na-appreciate ko. Yung time flexibility, yung help ng ating mga mentors and coaches, na talagang trinatrabaho nila para makita nila na nagpo-progress tayo. And then you can take it wherever you go. So bilang isang working mom, very busy tayo. Like my kids, they have different sports. So 4 kids with different sports, different areas in different days. So I always have my business with me. Na I don't need to stay in one place. You can take it wherever you go. So that's what I appreciate with it. Yes.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you, sis. Ang galing. Ayan, napakagandang mga insights ang ating naririnig sa ngayon. It's all about mindset. Di ba? Ang ganda-ganda. Hindi lang siya sabi nga, itong business na to, hindi lang siya income. Napakagandang time flexibility, lalo na sa mga working parents like us. Yun yung sinabi niya, may mentors and coaches na handang gumabay, kaya hindi mo kailan man mararamdaman na you're alone. You will never be alone. Sabi kaya, at saka yung, my gosh, yung 4 na kids, sabi mo, ako 3 kids, nahirapan na paano pag 4 kids. At ang kagandaan nito, you can take this business anywhere, sabi nga. So, ayan. And now, I think it's my turn na ba? Ayan, I think it's my turn na. Yes, it's my turn. O, diba? Ikaw naman, ako naman magtatanong. If you could describe this business, parang pang miss you to, if you could describe this business in one sentence, ayan. Anong may bibigay mong lalo na sa mga katulad nating na overwhelmed na moms or caregivers or nurses, ayan, anong may bibigay in one sentence, hindi pwedeng 2, 3.
In one sentence. I could say yung dito sa business na to, no, makikita mo yung pag-asa. Na pag-asa kasi meron kang inaabangan at the end of the tunnel, kumbaga. Yes. Tapos yung parang lahat ng problemang darating sa'yo, sasabihin mo sarili mo, kaya ko to. I can do it. I can do it. Very positive. Kasi there's something happened to me, no? Dito kasi because of the inflation, no? It happens all over the world, no? Na ang daming nagle-lay off or nagle-layout ng mga employees. Dito sa work ko, ako yung last in. So I will be the first out. So ngayon, nung una, sabi nila sa akin, ililipat ka namin. Gustong-gusto ko dun sa work ko. Tapos ililipat ako. Umiyak ako. First time, umiyak ako. Sabi ko, paano na to? Ganyan, ganyan. And then, now it happened again. So sabi ko, I will not cry anymore. Kasi I have a plan B. And that is my business. So hindi na ako natakot. Nung una, takot na takot ako mawala ng trabaho. Pero because of this business, tumapang ako. Nagulat din ako para sa sarili ko. No? Sabi ko, wow. Hindi man lang ako umiyak. So that's the beauty of it. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, sis. Oh, nakamute. Wait lang, sis. There you go. Yeah,
Sorry.
okay na.
Yes, ang galing. Ang ganda ng mindset ni Mary Ann. Talagang this business has nag-evolve siya dito sa business nung nag-start siya sa business na ito. Kasi dito meron talaga tayong community na may yung bang makikita mo yung support and positivity. So mai-inspire ka talaga sa ating mga what you call it, business partners. And so, ako naman ang may katanungan. So, Mary Ann, sa mga, mga nanonood ngayon na katulad nating Pilipino, mga kababayan, mga hardworking moms, ano naman, yung bang nagda-doubt pa rin na nag-aalangan pa rin, ano ba yung anong tawag nito? Ano ba yung iyong message para sa kanila regarding how to in starting an online business gaya natin?
I can say that our dream is bigger than us. And kung gusto mo talagang mabago yung buhay mo na paulit-ulit na feeling mo na nasa isang kahon ka lang, walang nangyayari sa paligid mo. Pag pumasok ka sa business na ito, mag-iiba talaga yung pananaw mo sa buhay. At bibigyan ka nito ng hope na alam mo na makikita mo talaga na yung dream mo noon na iniisip mo lang siya, ini-imagine mo lang siya. Pero pag pumasok ka dito sa business na to, alam mong makakamit mo siya kasi marami nang nakagawa. So ang kailangan mo lang dito is to be strong, have the right mindset, and have faith to yourself. Dahil gusto natin ng pagbabago, we need to do an action. Dapat simulan mo, hindi mo. Walang right time walang right time. Yung right time, ikaw yun mismo. So good tayo. So good tayo.
Tuloy ang laban.
Yeah, tuloy ang laban. Huwag tayong bibitaw kasi alam natin na totoo to. Totoo to, legit to. At may maganda tayong community na talagang tumutulong sa lahat. Walang iwanan.
True.
Yes.
Yes, ang galing. Galing naman, di ba? Parang ma-amaze ka talaga. Lahat tayo may stories. Sa mga, kung meron man akong natutunan itong ano natin ngayon, it gave you hope, it gave you strength, it gave you confidence. yung hope na mas magandang bukas, yung strength para harapin ang araw-araw at yung confidence na kaya palang mangarap ulit at abutin ito. O, 'di ba? Ang ganda-ganda. Ayan, yun sa lahat ng mga naka-inspire sa journey ni Sis Ann at sa mga tanong namin, this might be your sign. Asan na si Cheryl? There you go.
Yes. So, yeah. Huwag na po tayong maghintay kung meron kayong gustong abutin. Gusto nyong mabago ang inyong buhay. There's no perfect timing. Kailangan yung gawin mong posible ang mga impossible habang may sistema na tutulong sa iyo gaya sa aming business. Yes. So now let's move on to our last minute, and yeah, so unahin natin mga websites. Yes, please start with Rosalie.
Hello once again. So alam ko pong kayo na-inspired sa ating bisita ngayong gabi, kaya magano ka lang mag-sign up ka sa aking website o kahit saan sa amin. Ang aking website ay www.rosalico.com. Be inspired!
Sister Ann?
Hi, I'm Ann Yanson. If you really want a real change with the right system and a legit business, sign up with my website, www.rodorayanson.com, and we will guide you through.
Hello po sa mga nanonood. Kung na-inspire sa mga stories na sinishare ng aming ka-business partner from Sweden with a mom of 4, kung nagawa niya, ay kaya rin natin gawin. Abutin natin ang ating pangarap. Connect with us, any of us here, or you can connect with me at www.fakex.net, and that's my website. All right. Bye.
Thank you.
Yes, so dun po sa mga nakaka-relate sa aming mga stories, and you guys are still wondering, still watching us and wondering na if this is something you can do. At the end of the day, it will be your decision alone. So if you want to check out our webinar. It's totally free. The webinar is free, so you can check it out. And my website is www.maryantibaya.com. Happy Saturday!
Hi everyone, Bernadette here once again. So, na-inspired po tayo sa ating bagong ka-empowered women, si Sis Ann. So, narinig nyo ang lahat ng struggle, lahat ng triumphs and little wins. And sana na-inspire kayo na if you want to change, you want a change in your life, then make a change. So once again, you can connect to any of us here. By the way, my website is www.bernadettejourney.com. All you need to do is register your name and your email address, and any of us can guide and mentor you. So come check what's inside. Cheers.
Hello again. Right, if you are inspired, please connect with any of us. So, and we can guide you. My website is www.kimayongjslifestyle.com. Thank you.
Yes, this is Lisa, and kung na-inspire kayo guys, especially sa mga parents, pero hindi lang para sa mga parents ito, so anyone can do it. So, to learn more, mag-register lang kayo sa aming mga websites, nandyan lang sa mga screen. For me, it's www.mamalisa-an.com.
Yes.
And of course, ito naman sa akin, kung gusto niyo pong matutunan paano mag-start. Oh, sorry. Yes, kung gusto niyo pong matutunan paano mag-start ng digital business na flexible, guided at may support system, ito po yung website ko, digitalmsconsulting.com. Doon niyo po makikita yung full details kung gaano ka rin pwedeng magsimula ng sarili mo online. Once again, this is Malu reminding you to believe in yourself and of course, dream big tayo and take the first step. Sis Cheryl.
Yes, salamat. So yes, ito po si Cheryl again, and yeah, what you call it? Lahat nasabi na po nila. So all I can say is, itong business is a flexible, family-friendly, that you can take along with you wherever you travel. Legit po siya, and we don't do selling, we don't do inventories. All you need is your mobile phone, your laptop, and an internet connection. So yes, kung interested po kayo, please check my website at www.cheryl-young.com. And I'll be happy to guide you. So, connect lang po kayo sa amin, kahit sino sa amin. Okay? Malu?
Yes, before we end, we just wanted to leave you guys with this quote na you don't have to be great to start, but you just have to start to be great.
Tama.
Yeah.
So, yes. Thank you for joining us tonight. Mga kapatid,
Thank you.
share this live. Yeah, share this live if you know someone who needs this hope and opportunity. Ako po.
That's okay.
Hello.
Hello sa iyong little girl at the back. Hello, hello. All right. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks for joining, and we'll see you again next time.
God bless.
Bye-bye.
you.
Bye,
All
everyone.
right.
Thank you, Ann.
Bye, bye everyone.
Thank you.